Have you ever tried to deploy a smart sensor or a remote monitoring station only to realize there is absolutely no Wi-Fi coverage in the field? It is a common hurdle for many IoT enthusiasts. Today we are looking at the LILYGO T-SIM7670G-S3. This board combines the popular ESP32S3 microcontroller with a 4G LTE cellular module, aiming to solve that connectivity gap for standalone projects. LILYGO T-SIM7670G-S3 LTE 4G ESP32S3 appears as an option in the portable audio and video space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerate. Using cellular data means your device doesn't rely on a local router. This is essential for GPS-based projects, fleet management, or any setup that needs to report data from remote, off-grid locations. By using the ESP32S3, you get a powerful chip that handles complex tasks like local processing or data filtering before sending it over the network, keeping your data transmission efficient. Useful clues to review include category/context, portable audio and video, 4G, current listed price, 45.98, listed discount, 0%, order/volume signal, 151. If a detail is unclear, treat it as something to verify rather than a guaranteed feature. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not FO. Before you dive in, consider the power budget. Cellular modules draw more current than standard Wi-Fi, so you will need to plan your battery capacity carefully for long-term deployments. Check size, compatibility, selected variant, visible material or design details, and usage conditions. These small checks often prevent the wrong purchase. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. A critical check for any cellular project is verifying the frequency bands. Make sure the T-SIM7670G-S3 supports the specific LTE bands used by your local cellular carrier, otherwise it won't connect. With around 151 orders recorded so far, this board has clearly caught the attention of the community. At a price point of $45.98, it sits in a bracket for serious hobbyists and prototype developers. This board is best for those who already have some experience with ESP32 development and are ready to take the step into hardware that handles real-world, long-range communication. Before treating LILYGO T-SIM7670G-S3 LTE 4G ESP32S3 as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Before checking out, confirm you have the right antenna, a compatible SIM card, and that you have checked the latest updates for the required software libraries to ensure a smooth build. A useful product should not only look good, it should feel reasonable to use, store, set up, and understand in your actual daily situation. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. If you are ready to expand your IoT reach, checking the full technical details and comparing regional support is a smart move. Feel free to confirm the latest pricing and availability through the link below.